So in this video, pag-uusapan naman natin paano mo i-link yung VT Markets account mo or brokers account mo or Light Finance account mo sa MT5. Okay, sa MT5. So para lang po, you don't need to download VT Markets or broker. What you need to download is MT5. Okay, so example, kung wala pa kayong wala pa kayong MT5, so you go to, punta ka sa Play Store, search mo lang dito MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. Ito po, MetaTrader 5. Yun po yung i-install nyo, is this one, MetaTrader 5. Yun po yung install nyo. So in our case, meron na tayo. Sa gagawin lang natin guys is i-link natin guys itong MetaTrader ko. So sa taas guys, upper left, click mo and then manage account and then plus. Okay, plus. Here, make sure you type the broker again. Nakita natin yung VT Markets, but ito yung common mistake, so kailangan mo siyang i-type para ma-refresh. We need to refresh this one. So i-type natin VT Markets, yun, naka-refresh na. So yan. So pag type natin VT Markets guys, dito maraming nagkamali. Okay, dito maraming nagkamali. Iba yung account mo pag login sa VT Markets, iba din yung MetaTrader account mo or MT5 account. Yung MT5 account, yun yung video how to create live or how to create demo. After you create that one, may nag-i-email sila, 100% yan nag-i-email. Minsan lang medyo nagkaroon ng delay, pero minsan lang, most of the time nag-i-email sila. So gagawin natin, punta ta doon sa email natin, email. So here, nandito na. So ito yung login natin guys. So gagawin ko guys is i-copy paste ko lang ito. Okay, copy. Punta ako ulit sa copy. So make it sure guys you copy paste again properly. Okay. Usually dito nagkamali kasi syempre pag mali ang login, mali ang password, hindi talaga mag-went through dyan. So ulitin ko, balik ka dito sa MT5. Itong password guys, I suggest na i-copy paste mo kasi may mga character nga same, like letter I and letter L is the same, or letter Z, number 0 and letter O is the same. So i-copy mo lang yan para sure. Okay, password yan. Pag na-refresh mo, na-type yung VT Markets, tama yung password mo, last thing titingnan mo guys is yung server. Okay, server ito, diba, server. Tingnan mo kung VT Markets live yung server mo, dito rin VT Markets live din yung server. Okay, pag i-click mo yan, 100% yan magkaroon connecting. Pag no connection, ibig sabihin mali. Mali yung password, mali yung login number. So connecting yan guys. Pag connecting na yan guys, o yan, ito connected na. So pwede ka nang mag-start ng trade mo. Okay? So yun lang po guys. Make it sure na tama yung login, password at na-refresh mo yung broker. Alright?